Hello everyone, my name is Coach Pia and I'm the founder of Strengths Philippines. So 10 years ago, we had a dream. We dreamed that every Filipino will experience the transformative power of their strengths. Kasi everyone is born with natural strengths. And when we are born with our natural strengths, we have to know what they are. So we have to be able to name what our strengths are. Pangalawa, we have to love or claim what we're good at. So proseso siya. Find a strengths coach so you can have those meaningful conversations. And lastly, we have to live out what our strengths are. We have to aim it kung saan natin alam makakatulong sa kapwa. Lalong-lalo na ngayon, mahal na mahalan natin ang ating bayan. Kung hindi pa kayo nagsuot ng puti, several days ago at lumabas sa kalsada, alam natin, mahalaga ang maging mabuting tao na nagmamahal sa ating bansa. So here at EmpowerCon, we gather people who know what their strengths are and are able to aim them at purposeful and meaningful endeavors.